To another video. You are watching Phones on .ua with me, Karan, and today we are going to talk about LG के G series के G6 की. Yes, we are going to talk about G6 today, and let us know what are the drawbacks and the advantages of this variant out here. Talking about the advantages out there, it was a 2017 release model out here, so we can expect a lot of advancement in this variant. But looking at the LG's previous record, we can say it might have not upgraded much out there, but still can be considered an upgradable phone as well. Talking about this variant, we can say that this variant has got a Gorilla Glass protection not just at the front but at the back side too. Gorilla Glass front is of Gorilla Glass 3. Yes, Gorilla Glass front की जो protection है Gorilla Glass 3 की है, whereas Gorilla Glass 5 is seen at the back side. So this can be considered as a funny or ironing, anything you would like to consider, because usually we have a protection at the front at a heavier side. और बैक में हम यूजुअली लाइटर वेटेड प्रोटेक्शन देते हैं, बट हैविंग दिस काइंड ऑफ अ protection is something really ironic, or we can say anything funny out there, because Gorilla Glass 5 protection at the back is बहुत यार अच्छी बात भी बुरी भी है, मतलब it's a good feature कि like yes back side is being protected because camera is there. And funny because Gorilla Glass 5 if you can use at the back side, then definitely you could have used it in the front side too, so that would be a better variant out there. But no issue with this because it has got aluminum framework, so that's also a nice variant. Talking about the SIM technology used out here is single SIM and hybrid SIM, both can be seen in this. Along with that, you get to see IPS capillary touch screening, or we can say this is a really good variant because IPS capillary touch screening can be seen out there. 5.7 इंच की ये स्क्रीन आपको देखने को मिल रही है विद डॉल्ब विजन पॉइंट आउट, मतलब प्रोटेक्शन जो है इसकी जो कलराइजेशन की जो प्रोटेक्शन है डॉल्ब विजन की है, तो 7.7 और वी कैन से दिस कैन बी अ गुड वेरिएंट आउट है, मतलब डॉल्ब विजन का जो इसमें प्रोटेक्शन दिया है फॉर कलराइजेशन एंड द विजन क्वालिटी, एवरीथिंग इज गुड. And the screen size is about 5.7, which is playing well with all the specifications till now. Yes, this is playing well with them. Talking about the resolution, it has a good resolution, which is very good out there in LG phones, we can say, or G series or any series if you want to talk about LG. Because crossing 500 usually takes time, but it has crossed 500 and it has 564 PPI density, which is really good. It has a shared memory slot out there with dual SIM technology. Yes, it has a shared slotation. So expandability is required for the variants who uses 32 and 64 GB storage. Like अगर आप 64 या फिर 32 GB variant लेते हैं, then definitely you need a storage capacity, external storage capacity. But if you use a 128 GB variant, then it might not require much. 128 GB variant can be a okay variation out there. Having a RAM quality of 4 GB is a additional plus point. Like they have improved, or they can be said a non-touched or something, a good variant. Anything you want to say, this is really amazing that they have 4 GB rear RAM out there. Like it can be said a plus point out there. Having a good quality camera is definitely must, and since they have used a Gorilla Glass 5 at the back, so we are expecting a lot with the camera. But to our disappointment, it has not increased the megapixel. It has remained 13 megapixel itself. मतलब 13 megapixel से ऊपर नहीं बढ़ा. 13 megapixel selfie rear camera could be seen, and the selfie camera of 5 megapixel could be seen out there. So definitely it can be said कि हाँ ठीक है, okay variant out there, ठीक variant कहा जा सकता है. Whereas it has 3.5 jack, so radio connectivity could be seen, as well as you will be able to see Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, NFC, infrared port, hotspot connections, fingerprint sensations is there, single LED, proximity, gyrometer, everything could be seen out there. Apart from this, they have really worked with the battery. 3300 mAh की बैटरी इसमें देखने को मिल रही है, which is really a good variation, a good colorization, or we can say a good attempt out there. Giving a quick charging of 3 is also a recommendable job out here. We can recommend it. So, whereas having a fast charging of 18 volts, we can say that this variation would be a good version out here. Talking about this variant, we can say that this variant is available out in the market with n number of pricing and number of n pocketable or non-pocketable rates. But a website offers you a worth it price, pocketable price, a worth price, and a net price of great, amazing pocket. Talking about the website or talking about that site, I would like to tell you that all you have to do is go on Google and type the website name, or you can also go on the description link and आपको वहां पे जाके भी लिंक मिल रहा है तो वहां पे यही साइट पर आएंगे. You will have to just type this. The website name is phonezone.ae. Yes, the website name is phonezone.ae. आप इस वेबसाइट पे आएंगे, यहाँ पर आपको देखने को क्या मिलता है. व्हाट ऑल यू गेट आउट है, यू गेट टू सी एन नंबर ऑफ ब्रांड्स आउट है अंडर द कैटेगरी ऑफ ऑल मोबाइल फोन्स. एप्पल, सैमसंग, नोकिया, सोनी, एलजी, मतलब इस सब ब्रांड्स के आपको यहाँ गैजेट्स देखने को मिलते हैं. अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट यू ऑल्सो गेट टू सी कैश ऑन डिलीवरी एंड फ्री शिपिंग के साथ साथ 6 months की वारंटी एंड 7 day एक्सचेंज पॉलिसी भी यहाँ पर है. Apart from that, there is a search icon out here which helps you to search a favorite model. Like I am searching this model out here. So let us search about this model and wait for the results. So the result has been out. So the result अगर हम देखें, if we see the result out there, the search, it has a description box. इस description box में specifications mentioned है, everything is mentioned out here like front and back protection and IP68 resistance out there, Gorilla Glass 3 protection in the front. You may see a lot of things out there. So talking about this variant, we have a condition written here, that is refurbished condition. Yes, we have a condition which is named refurbished condition. So let us talk about the refurbished word and everything, and उसके बाद हम pricing और website की बात करते हैं, but सबसे पहले बात refurbished की. Let us talk about the refurbished products today itself. Like let us know what is refurbishedness, what is refurbished product. सबसे पहले refurbished की बात करते हैं. Talking about refurbished products or talking about refurbishedness, we can say that refurbished products are something brand new like, or we can say something newly like. ये re का मतलब अगर we talk about the word itself, so re and furbish are two different words. Re means again, पहले जैसा, or furbish means something creating new, something creating from the old one, or like this we can say. So the combined word here itself means creating something newly like. So we can say that refurbished word itself means creating newly like. And when we talk about these kind of products, they are no different from the brand new products. So the brand new और इनमें ज़्यादा difference नहीं होता है. The thing is that these vary only in the market price, or we can say the usage capacity. Like brand new products are directly sold out from the company to the users or in between the agencies, but refurbished products are like company, then one user, and then the agencies, and then the user again. So कह सकते हैं कि brand new products जो हैं almost और refurbished products, और ये दोनों they are the synonyms. We won't say synonyms, but they are quite similar in the usage capacity, or we can say in the we can say like testimoniality, we can say structurality, functionality, everything out there is same. Talking about these variants, we can say that the brand new products are testified on the basis of different categories. Same happens with the brand refurbished products too. मतलब उनमें भी एक testimonial. If we talk about these testimonials, we can say the test, verify, certificates, parameters. They involve like display, its structurality, its audio quality, FM, triple M jack, or we can say the colorization, display has scratch or not, buttons, data wiping, OS system, the CPU it is using, or we can say everything. मतलब जितने भी parts हम बात करें, जो भी specifications सब पढ़ते हैं, चाहे वो इसकी बैटरी लाइफ को लेकर हो, चाहे वो इसकी वीडियो क्वालिटी को लेके हो, या इसकी रिकॉर्डिंग को लेके हो, या इसके इंटरनल फैक्टर्स को लेके हो, चाहे वो इसका जीपीयू हो, एनएफएस हो, इंफ्रारेड पोर्ट हो, या इसका ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम हो, मतलब एनीथिंग आउट देयर, दे आर क्लासिफाइड एज सच अ कैटेगरी. ब्रांड न्यू भी इन्हीं कैटेगरी की बेसिस पर जज किया जाता है, एंड रिफर्बिश्ड प्रोडक्ट्स आर आल्सो जज ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ दीस कैटेगरीज हियर इटसेल्फ. तो इन दोनों को जब जज कर दिया जाता है इन दोनों कैटेगरीज की बेसिस पे, वी कैन से दैट यस, both the products are almost same. Like why I said almost, because when we talk about brand new products, they are verified and tested by the company, they are checked out by various sites, whereas refurbished are checked out with one particular site जिस साइट पे वो लिस्ट हो रहे होते हैं, मतलब इफ यू आर टॉकिंग अबाउट वन साइट तो उसी साइट ने उसका पूरा टेस्ट किया है, उसे वेरीफाई किया है. इफ यू आर सीइंग इट ऑन अनदर साइट, उस साइट ने उसे वेरीफाई किया है. सो दिस कैन बी सेड कि यस, different sites verify different products. Now talking about this variant, why I'm talking about this variant, what are the advantages of having refurbished products, or what are the benefits of having a refurbished product for you? Number one, I would say, is none other than the savings of up to 15%. Yes, I have to say then it would be saving up to 15%. Talking about saving, we can say that why you can save up to 15% because you get it in a pocketable rate. Yes, you get it in the pocketable rates. अगर पॉकेटेबल रेट्स में है तो डेफिनेटली आपको सेव भी करने को मिल रहा है. यू कैन सेव अप टू आराम से 15% तक सेविंग हो जाती है. Because brand new products are quite expensive out there, whereas the same model in the refurbished condition, if we talk about in few times, then the price is actually in our pockets. Yes, that has dropped, or we can say is now much more for our pockets, so we can use that. So savings भी हो जाती है. Then next comes out the warranty period. Yes, you get to have 6 months warranty period out है, मतलब 6 महीने की warranty period भी आपको देखने को मिल जाती है. जबकि ब्रांड न्यू की बात करें उसमें 1 ईयर की वारंटी पीरियड आराम से देखने को मिलती है. So this is the major difference. But you do not get the exchange policy out there for the brand new products, but here you get the exchange policy for 7 days. तो 7 दिन की exchange policy भी आपको यहाँ देखने को मिलती है. So that's a wonderful feature out here. And these are the few benefits, or we can say these are the few advantages of having a refurbished product. Now talking about these advantages, or talking about the site where these products are available at a very valuable or an amazing rate out there, then I would say there is a site which helps you to get such amazing products in your pocketable rates and save up to 15%. So let me take you to the site as well. आप या तो डिस्क्रिप्शन पे जा सकते हैं लिंक पर, या फिर आप क्या कर सकते हैं कि आप गूगल पे जाके टाइप कर सकते हैं. यस, यू कैन टाइप द साइट नेम इज दिस. साइट नेम इज phoneZone.ae. आप गूगल पे जाके इस साइट को भी टाइप कर सकते हैं, या फिर आप आ सकते हैं हमारे डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में. यू कैन चेक दिस आउट. टॉकिंग अबाउट दिस साइट, मैं ऑलरेडी आपको इस साइट के बारे में बहुत कुछ बता चुकी हूँ. And now talking about this site, this is the area out here where you get to see not just one brand, but n number of brands out there, as well as best deals is there. You get to see brand new products out there. मतलब यहाँ पे आपको हर चीज देखने को मिलती है. As well as when we talk about this website, you can say that this website offers you n number of things, n number of offers. So this website offers you n number of deals out there. Like the website homepage is this, and this offers you deals like cash on delivery is also there, free home delivery is there. So everything is out there, and you get to see the search icon, all your favorite brands out here. So definitely you can try out this website. The website name is, once again I'm telling you, the PhoneZone.ae. Yes, the website name is PhoneZone.ae. तो यही था वेबसाइट के बारे में, प्रोडक्ट्स के बारे में, और आप सभी के लिए रिफर्बिश और ब्रांड न्यू का थोड़ा सा डिफरेंस. एंड इफ यू लाइक द वीडियो, डोंट फॉरगेट टू लाइक एंड शेयर. एज वेल एज आप इस वेबसाइट पे ट्राई आउट कर सकते हैं, क्योंकि यहाँ पे मिलती है आपको बेस्ट प्राइसिंग के साथ साथ बेस्ट डील्स भी आपके फेवरेट मॉडल्स के लिए. टिल देन टेक केयर.